I'm Sir Oliver, your online math tutor. Hello mga kaMathmates! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nagsusubscribe ay mag-subscribe ka na at hit mo na yung post notification bell para updated ka every time na magpo-post ako ng bagong video. Panibagong video, panibagong topic na naman ang pag-aaral natin ngayon. Tayo naman ay mag-graph ng mga linear equations. Can we graph a linear equation using the slope and its intercept? Yes. So our topic for today is all about graphing a linear equation using slope-intercept form. A way to remember what m and b means in slope-intercept form is, remember, slope-intercept form is y equals to mx plus b. So m for move, b for begin. Again, m for move, b for begin. Sir Oliver's mnemonic device. Begin by graphing the y-intercept, then move the slope that is rise over run. Remember, if we have positive slope, run to the right. If we have a negative slope, run to the left. Again, begin by graphing the y-intercept, then move the slope that is rise over run. So to graph a linear equation using slope and its intercept, so these are the steps that we need to follow. First, write the equation in slope-intercept form, y equals to mx plus b, then identify the slope and the y-intercept. Second, plot the y-intercept b. Third, from that point, use the slope to find the other point using the formula rise over run. Lastly, draw a line through the points. So, ngayong alam na natin yung mga steps, so let's have an examples. Graph each linear equation using the slope and the y-intercept. For our first example, you are asked to graph x minus y equals to 2. And that equation is in standard form. So, the first thing we should do is to write this equation into slope-intercept form, y equals to mx plus b. That is, negative y equals negative x plus 2. Then, since meron tayong negative sa unahan, we need to change all the sign. So, our equation is y equals to x minus 2. And that is in the slope-intercept form. Next, let us identify the slope and the y-intercept. Your slope is 1, so understood na kapag walang number nakatabi ni x, that is 1. And then your b or y-intercept is negative 2. So our solution, begin with the y-intercept 0, negative 2, and move 1 unit upward and 1 unit to the right. So you have 0, negative 2. It lies on the vertical axis. That will be your b, begin, y-intercept, that is negative 2. And then from that point, ilolocate natin yung other point by using the slope 1. That is positive, meaning 1 rise and then 1 run to the right. And then plot the point. And then the last step would be draw a line that passes through the two given points, and that will be the graph of the linear equation. by 2. Therefore, y equals to negative 3 halves x plus 3. So let us identify the slope and the y-intercept. Our slope is negative 3 halves, and then our y-intercept is positive 3. Solution: begin with the y-intercept 0, 3. So that is 0, 3. And then from that point, we need to move 3 units upward. That is 3 units upward, and then 2 units to the left since our slope is negative. And then plot the point, and then draw a line that passes through the 2 given points, and that is the graph of the line. So fourth example, x plus 4y equals to negative 16. So let us write into slope-intercept form. That is 4y equals to negative x minus 16, and then divide all the terms by positive 4. So y equals to negative x over 4, or negative 1/4 x minus 4. So let us graph. First, identify the slope. Our slope is negative 1/4. So automatic na meron siyang numerator na 1. And then your y-intercept is negative 4. So let's have the solution. Begin with the y-intercept 0, negative 4. Okay, so ayun po yung 0, negative 4. And then from that point, we need to move 1 unit upward and then 4 units to the left since our slope is negative. So 1 unit upward and 4 units to the left, and then plot the point and then draw a line that passes through the 2 given points, and that will be the graph of the line. Fifth example, 4x minus 3y equals 18. So we have negative 3y equals to negative 4x plus 18, and then we need to divide all the terms by negative 3. Therefore, y equals negative divides negative is positive, so 4/3 x. Then 18 divides negative 3 is negative 6. So y equals to 4/3 x minus 6. So let us graph. So our slope is 4/3 and our y-intercept is negative 6. So solution, begin with the y-intercept 0, negative 6. So nasa po yung 0, negative 6. So nandun sa may baba. And then from that point, so let us use the slope 4/3. Move 4 units upward. 4 units upward, that will be your rise, and then 3 units to the right since our slope is positive, that will be your run. And then plot the point and then draw a line that passes through the 2 given points, and then that will be the graph of the line. So I hope na natutunan nyo yung ating first na pag-graph. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notification bell para updated ka every time na magpo-post tayo ng bagong video. See you on my next video.